Welcome to another tutorial. Hello everybody, my name is Susana and today we're going to go ahead and edit another template. So let me go ahead and start by mentioning the things you can't do on this template, and that is change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So it's the flowers, that's all. You can't change those. However, everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the font to anything you like, the color, the size, and that goes for all the text that you see here. You can change the color of the social media icons as well, the sizing, play around with that. This section is grouped, so that means you can move everything together at once. If you want to ungroup it, go ahead and select it and just go to the top right and click ungroup. And that is gonna allow you to move each section on its own. To change the information to your business information, just click Bing. Enter your business info, and so on. To upload your logo, just go ahead and get rid of this placeholder. And let's upload our logo. My logo here does not have a background. It's transparent, so it's going to blend in perfectly with the background of this template. Let's assume your logo has a background. So this one has a white background. Let me change the background of the template so you can see. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and upload the logo with the background. So it's not going to look that nice. What you want to do is go ahead and click on Elements. You want to scroll down, go to Frames, See All, click See All, and select the circle. So after we have it the size we want, the next thing you want to do is go and grab your logo, click and drag, and it's going to be inside of that circle, so it's going to look nice no matter what. Let me change the color back to the way it was. And there we go. You have the Spanish template below as well. So if you guys have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.